Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. You know the Google Pixel 4a launch, and now this time is the upcoming Google Pixel 4a 5G. This is the Google Pixel 4a 5G render image revealing large display and a familiar design. The Google Pixel 4a 5G is coming soon alongside the Pixel 5. Both phones are expected to carry over the basic design of the recently Google Pixel 4a through with the Snapdragon 765G at the helium. The Pixel 5 is also touted to carry a dual camera setup, and now we learn that the 4a 5G will also come with a two rear shooter alongside a display in the 6.1 inch and 6.2 inch range. Tipstar on Leaks has provided a new render of the Pixel 4a 5G, as you can see on your screen, completed with its measurement, which come at 153.9 by 74.0 by 8.6 millimeter. For comparison, the Pixel 4a stands at 144 by 69.4 by 8.2 millimeter measurement. We can see overall design is quite similar, as you can see on this picture, to the Pixel 4a, with a punch hole in the front, cutout in the top left corner, rear mounted fingerprint scanner, USB Type-C port at the bottom, and a headphone jack on the top. The camera bump is slightly larger to accommodate that the second ultra-wide shooter. The phone will also retain the plastic body of the Google Pixel 4a. Reddit user say house profile appeared to be suspended now, but he says managed to provide a side-by-side image of both the Pixel 5 and 4a 5G alongside their key specs. We can see the clear size difference between both as well as their identical design, as you can see in this picture. The Pixel 5 will carry a 5.8-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 765G, and 8 gigs of RAM around the back. We are expecting the same 12.2 megapixel main shooter from the Pixel 4a alongside an ultra-wide lens. The battery is stated to come at 4000 mAh, which would make it the largest cell ever in Pixel phone. Sadly, it will not come with a headphone jack, so the Pixel 4a 5G stick at 60 Hz AMOLED panel and will come with a 6 gigs of RAM and smaller 3800 mAh battery. The rest of the specs match the Pixel 5, and both model are expected to come with a 128 gigabytes of storage as a standard smartphone. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5. Let's see in upcoming days. Guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Google Pixel 5 and 4a 5G smartphone? Make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.